Welcome back to Overheat, Volvo Motorhome 2026. Outside a sleek, understated, and sophisticated Scandinavian aesthetic will be reflected in the outside design. Volvo's iconic Thor's hammer LED headlights, which offer a powerful visual identity and ideal lighting, will be a key design feature. To cut weight and increase fuel efficiency, premium, lightweight materials, possibly aluminum or composites, will be used for body panels. Aerodynamics, a design that is designed for aerodynamics to lessen road noise, increase efficiency, and decrease wind resistance. Access will be made easier with a low, broad doorway that has an automated step. Inside, the driver's and passenger's seats are ergonomic and completely adjustable. All of the required controls and information will be available via a huge infotainment touchscreen in the middle of the dashboard and a fully digital instrument cluster. Advanced driver assistance systems, a 360-degree video system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot information system BLIS, and other active safety systems from Volvo will be incorporated. The most flexible use of available space can be achieved with a sofa that doubles as an additional bed. Kitchen features include a spacious sink, a full-size refrigerator freezer, a microwave oven, an induction or gas burner, and enough of space for groceries and utensils. A king-size or queen-size bed that is fixed and has a good mattress. Roof-mounted solar panels, an inverter providing steady AC power, and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery make up this advanced electric power system. USB ports all across the cabin, onboard Wi-Fi, and perhaps an integrated infotainment system with a smart TV and high-end sound system. There will probably be a powerful and effective Euro 6 diesel engine option for long range and towing. A plug-in hybrid or a fully electric motorhome version with a respectable range for traveling and quick charging options will also be available. Voice control for entertainment, temperature, and lighting is made possible by integration with the smart home ecosystem.